Hey everyone, this is Ian Hart. I'm officially back doing videos now, so I'm in South End, back at this location. I wonder if that crossing's working again, but we're gonna see. I hear the train coming. This crossing is gonna activate very soon. Let's see how it's working today. I wonder if they changed any belts. I don't know. Excuse me. About to film the train. Oh, that is a dead one. The U&SS Carbell is dead. I can get the horn though.
Oh, this change isn't it?
We caught one. So that crossing we just saw, a U&SS Carbell, is dead. They actually thought it was fixed, but it actually was a lie. It's actually dead, actually. I actually knew it's dead. So I'll put that in my post on YouTube saying, and I have a new video to upload pretty soon. So I have to tell you guys the sad news. So my grandfather, he just passed away, so I just wanted to tell you all now. Oh my gosh. And pretty soon I'm planning to get a microphone for anything like this. And this is really a really nice area. It's out there. Right now I don't see any more trains coming, so but I was able to film one while I'm just looking for a train. That crossing is broken. The bell died. I forgot. No. That's gonna need to be. Anyway. Oh. Hey, I'm just filming the train, that's all. Yeah. I just filmed one. I just saw one pass by. Just one. I just filmed one train.
No. I said we have some donuts, but then somebody's holding on and looking to
Oh, we're gonna have to go now.
offer them to the kids and stuff.
Alright, and I don't think there's any more coming right now, so I'm gonna stop the video for right now. Alright, until next time, I'm Ian Hart. I'll see you on the line, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, bye-bye.